In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove silence in CapCut. Perfect for enhancing the flow and engagement of your video projects. Let's dive right into it, and by the end, you'll have a seamless video devoid of any awkward pauses. First, you'll want to have CapCut installed on your PC and open it up. Once inside, start by creating a new project. This is where all the magic happens, and your creative juices can start flowing. With your new project open, the first task is to import the video or audio file from which you'd like to remove silence. Simply click on the Import button, locate your file, and bring it into the CapCut workspace. Once the file is imported, drag it directly onto the timeline. This timeline will serve as your workspace where all editing takes place. Remember, this is your canvas, so position your clip at the start of the timeline to keep things neat and organized. Next, you'll need to locate the Split tool within CapCut. This feature is vital for isolating unwanted silence sections in your video. Scroll through your video or audio track on the timeline to identify the silent parts you want to remove. Once you've found these sections, use the Split tool to cut the video just before the silence begins, and then again immediately after it ends. This effectively slices the unwanted portion out, segregating it from the rest of your project. Having created these cuts, you're now free to remove the silence segment. Simply click on the section in the timeline that you've cut out and press the Delete key. This will eliminate the silence, pulling the surrounding sections together to create a more fluid and continuous piece. Ensure that there are no abrupt transitions between the cuts by playing through this edited section. Sometimes subtle adjustments might be necessary to maintain a natural flow. Finally, once you've refined your video and are satisfied with these edits, it's time to share your work. To do this, click on the Export button. Here, you'll be given options to select your desired video quality and format. Make these selections based on your needs and then proceed to export your polished project. The end result will be a video that keeps your audience engaged without any unwanted interruptions. And there you have it. With this simple process, removing silence in CapCut ensures your videos allure your audience, maintaining their attention from start to finish. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials where we turn complexities into easy-to-follow steps. Happy editing!